Jake? What you got there?
Just a little bread.
Please tell me you're not feeding the seagulls again.
Okay.
I'm telling you, Jake, this is the last. Yikes.
Good news.
Really? Come tell me in Jake's room.
You will never guess what happened while I was at Judith's.
Neither will you. We go in there and start throwing this stuff out the window. You ready?
Sure. You know, if they love this bait so much, why would they even wait for it? They're gone, Charlie.
I wonder why they left.
Maybe because we stopped feeding them.